If you're looking for not just the perfect assembly table, but one designed for sanding, routing, sawing, and clamping, you name it, then look no further than the Grizzly T25953 T-Slot Work Table. This open base table provides a 28 by 40 inch work surface with 5 dedicated extruded aluminum T-slot tracks that work seamlessly with our line of auto-adjust T-track clamps. But more on those shortly. The T25953 features a 1 1/8 inch thick melamine coated MDF table with adjustable feet. The table also features a smooth and durable edge banding. The table can be used with countless accessories, and the T-slots are compatible with 5/16 inch T-bolts, 1/4 inch hex bolts, and 1/4 inch T-bolts. But where it really excels is when it's paired with Grizzly's auto-adjust T-track clamps. Simply slide the T28110 horizontal clamps or the T28111 inline clamps into any track. Set your workpiece pretty much anywhere on the table, slide the clamps to your workpiece, and lock them for secure work holding. The T28110 horizontal clamp can be rotated 360 degrees and applies from 25 to 150 pounds of downward pressure onto the workpiece. The T28111 inline clamp eliminates the need for buying multiple sizes of clamps. Simply slide the hardened steel push rod to the desired position and apply consistent pressure on the material up to 3 3/4 inches thick. Then, lock it in place. Whether you're assembling small face frame projects or prepping larger workpieces for assembly, the T25953 T-Slot Work Table and our line of auto-adjust T-track clamps are ready for most any job. You can find each of these products and so much more on Grizzly.com.